princess. His birthday's going across the park. The pirate starts to broke the treasure and broke the pirate ship, and it slows around. And we're going to our birthday so much. I'm just like a treasure melts so frosty can't say it. I'm going to say I'm going to get the candles and sprinkles since he's going to get the sprinkles and cake.
Woohoo!
And the play is soft and the treasure will say all our fancy stuff, but yours and crush and the rain will fall. The trees and the leaves fall down on the ground and singing the laugh. It's the saying the rock. The sprinkles are for later, and the candles are for now. A Easter decoration will crush and bring in something soft.
I love you. That's the end of your song. That's the end of your song. Give a bow. Give a bow.
All right.
Cut.